Okay. This is a little animation that I want to do several of them. That when I was in Santa Fe, I saw a digital gallery with moving paintings, and I thought that I'd really like to make my dog paintings be animated. So, what I did with this particular piece is I worked on the frame. I had a poster typed frame, the original image, and I decided that I wanted to make the eyes blink, and then I thought I would make the trees move a little bit because it's about thunder, and everyone knows dogs are usually afraid of thunder. So I thought, well, it needs to be kind of stormy with a yellow sky. So the first thing that I did was I separated the branches from the piece, and I did that by very carefully selecting them and putting them on its own layer. And then I use this great little healing brush tool that's right here. And it will allow you to just come in and remove something that's sticking into. Um, so the layer that the I have to turn this off. The layer that the branches are on, then are on a layer by itself, and so that you can see that they're there. And then I have a layer where they move just a little bit different, and so I have actually three little branch layers that I've moved them around just a little bit. And then I took and I copied the dogs' faces so that I can make their eyes open and close, because that was the only other thing that I wanted to do. Um, so that layer has the eyes open. This layer, see, that was layer with branch two. So this layer has the eyes half open and branch two copy. So I would say branch two is still there on that one, and the eyes open. So I'll take it back, and hopefully that's the way that I had it a minute ago. But when I close this, I won't save. And then when I play the animation, then I really worked on timing. I made it over and over again several times, so the branches didn't look like they were doing weird stuff. Um, so for some of the time, even during a windstorm or if it's windy, they're not going to move all that often. And then normally, you aren't going to open and close your eyes a huge amount. And so that was all there was to this. And then again, after I've done all that, it's pretty large. I wanted it to fill the screen in my website page. And I make sure that this is on the first frame, and I will go to export, save for web, and then make this a GIF. And I think this is going to be well over a megabyte. That says it's 51 kilobytes as a JPEG. So when I take it into a GIF, it's going to be like 3 megs. I still don't want it to be a video, so I think that be about the size of what it is when I save it for a GIF. And that's all there is to that. That was a simple little animated illustration.